again, I come back to the SADC guidelines and principles. That is the law which member states, including everybody, have adopted. And that is the practice which we exercise. It is the request which is done from member states that they must provide representation who are going to constitute members of the seal for a particular country, and they do so. And all countries are expected to participate, except the country which is the subject of observation. But there is no country which has got which has got a perfect system, so to speak. And in fact, stakeholders themselves always indicate certain loopholes which they indicate within their own systems